In this episode of Geocaching Adventures, we're returning with you to Iceland. This is our second day and we're going to take you on the famous Golden Circle Tour. Okay, well, it's sort of a circle. Okay, that's a circle, but it's not helpful. Anyways, we're going to see an epic waterfall, active geysers, and the center of Icelandic history. So now that I've set your expectations really low, grab yourself a spoonful of skyr and join us for another fun episode of LANMonkey's Geocaching Adventures.
Hey guys, welcome to day 2 in Iceland. We are on the Golden Circle Tour. We're just at the first little stop for people to grab a little bit of food. I've got my Icelandic yogurt here. We're going to try that out and enjoy that. But come along on this adventure today. We're going to have an amazing time. We're going to see some of the true highlights of Iceland today, and we'll share them with you on this video. Let's go. Have a geocaching adventure. Hey guys, so we have stopped now at our first major stop on this tour. It's at Gulfoss, or the Golden Waterfalls, so we're going to check this out with you. But I got to check out this earth cache. Let's go take a look. So we're at the top cascade of Gulfoss right now. Let's check it out. So as you can see, it's a pretty busy place. Lots of people coming in. It's not even great weather today, but just such an amazing place to visit. Make sure you give yourself enough time, about 45 minutes, to really enjoy it. So there you go, that's the beautiful Gulfoss waterfalls. And now let's head on to the next stop in our destination, which is going to be Geysir.
After departing Gulfoss, we headed to Geysir, where we were treated to the fascinating active geysers bubbling and regularly erupting with water heated right under our feet.
We're at Geysir. We're walking past some mud pots and a lot of geothermal activity here on our way to the main show. So we're at Strókr, which is the most active geyser here in the park. Let's wait for it to go.
We were amazed by the 30-meter high eruptions from Strókr and claimed the earth cache here, then made our way to our last stop on this Golden Circle adventure, the World Heritage Site of Thingvalir National Park. This epic site of Icelandic culture and geology not only hosts more of the continental plate gap we showed you in episode 1, but it's also home to various important events in Icelandic history, including the National Parliament of Iceland, established here in 930 AD. And that wrapped up our final full day in Iceland. Now it's time for a traditional lamb dinner and a short sleep, then back to the airport. Now make sure you join us for episode 3 when we travel to Oslo, Norway for more geocaching adventures.